Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. This is one of the series items for Hubdoc. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Lucy and I am the sole owner of Burton's Academy, and I like to support business owners and practices and bookkeepers alike to basically understand how to better use Xero, QuickBooks, or potentially in this instance, Hubdoc, and how to make these softwares work best for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along for more content. In this video, I'll show you how to add users into client accounts. When you create a new client organization in Hubdoc, what you need to check is that all your employees have access. So for example, I can easily see that we have 15 users who have access to this first client and 18 who have access to the second one. And so I'm just going to scroll down the list and find one with either 0 or even fewer than 15. So straight away, no one in our practice organization has access to this client. So to change this, what we need to do is click on the three dots and click Edit Practice Staff Access. And then what you'll see is all of the employees listed below, and we just need to click Add on every single one of them. I don't think there's a quick way of doing this, so it does take a little bit of time just adding everyone in. Again, you could technically only add those that are needed. However, what we might find is someone randomly might need to support and therefore might need access. So it is always worth having everyone added who could have access just in case. So I'm just going to go away and add everyone now. And then what you'll see is they'll have then the button will change from add to remove. And that just means that they now have access to this client and they all now have access to the Hubdoc account.